Hello, Popcats. This is the DeHong 9.3-inch folding knife ordered from Amazon. Comes with a very basic, I guess this is nylon sheath with a belt loop. I won't be using that. Looking closer, it's got a nice wood handle held in with two rivets. Stainless steel all the way from one end to the other. And it does feel, it has some weight to it. It feels solid. Pretty difficult to open with one hand, especially with this cross guard thing. It kind of gets in the way. So you definitely want to open it with two hands. But as you see there, when you open the knife, this piece turns into a cross guard. And it is surprisingly solid. There's a screw holding in each piece directly to the blade, held in by these little star bit screws. I don't have that size of a bit to take it off. Let's clean that off a little bit. So it says DeHong, USA. I don't know if it's made in the USA, but it says USA on it. DeHong hunting knife with a little deer logo there. Let me tell you, this thing is sharp, straight out of the box. Very nice and sharp. Very pointy little tip. Got a piece of paper here just to show. Let's see. It is nice and sharp. Got a good amount of weight to it too. The handle is a great bit longer than the blade itself, which I like that too. They got plenty to hold on to. It feels rock solid. Not gonna close on you. Yeah, I think I paid about $26 off of Amazon. The company was WPKOPYA, some weird brand name. So it's a WPKOPYA DeHong 9.3-inch folding knife. They have a bunch of different knives on their page. Yeah, check it out.